Off camera, I've done my concealer, my foundation, my eyebrows, and now I'm going to move on to stick contour, and this is by Morphe. Now I'm going to move into some bronzer to warm up more of the cheek area and the eye area. And now with a small fluffy brush, I'm just going to dip into that shade from the Sugar Baby palette, which is this one here. Just going to put some of that on my brush and swipe it all over my eyelid. And with a little dense pencil brush, I'm just going to get that shade from the Ciao palette, which is this one here. And I'm just going to put that in the center. Using that same shade that I used from the Sugar Baby palette, I'm just going to put that underneath my eyelashes. Using this metallic eyeshadow from Australis, I'm just going to put a little bit just in the corner of my eye. If you don't have a very thin pencil brush, then you can always use a cotton bud as well. That does work. So if you're using a cotton bud, you can just dip it in there and put it in the corner and it'll work just as well. I'm going to try it with a pencil brush. I'm just going to make sure that the concealer hasn't creased, so I'm just dabbing that just to make sure it's all even. And also I did my, as you can tell, I did my mascara and my eyeliner off camera. It's just a lot easier that way. So with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to dip into that Laura Mercier setting powder, just put a little bit on the brush. Making sure not to get any of this shine. So we're just going to mattify underneath the eyes, powder that part.